Did you know that a golden retriever's mouth is so soft it can carry a raw egg across a field without even cracking the shell? Did you know that these dogs possess a specialized water-repellent double coat that allows them to swim in near-freezing temperatures for hours without getting cold? Did you know that golden retrievers were originally created in secret by a Scottish lord who spent decades crossbreeding now extinct dogs? Did you know that a golden retriever can detect a drop of human sweat in a body of water the size of 2 Olympic swimming pools? Did you know that these dogs have a unique biological off switch in their brain that allows them to go from high-speed sprinting to total calm in seconds? They have an incredible capacity for empathy. Clinical studies have shown that golden retrievers can distinguish between human tears of sadness and a person just making a crying sound, responding more urgently to genuine distress. The golden coat can vary from nearly white to a deep mahogany red. Despite the color difference, the genetic makeup and breed standards remain largely the same across the spectrum. They are notorious shedders because they lose their undercoat twice a year in a process called blowing the coat. This usually happens in the spring and fall as they prepare for temperature changes. A golden retriever's digestive system is highly efficient, but they are genetically predisposed to obesity. Their brains often lack a strong satiety signal, meaning they will continue to eat as long as food is available. They have been known to adopt other species. There are documented cases of golden retrievers nursing kittens, fawns, and even tiger cubs, showcasing their powerful maternal and paternal instincts. Their hearts are physically large relative to their body size compared to other breeds. This allows for high cardiovascular endurance, enabling them to run long distances without tiring quickly. Golden retrievers have a very high pain tolerance. This was an evolutionary necessity for a dog that had to push through thorny bushes and swim in icy water without hesitation. They are often used as conservation dogs to find the scat of endangered species. Their ability to cover large areas and signal a find without disturbing the environment makes them perfect for wildlife biology work. A golden retriever's sleep patterns are very similar to humans, including a deep REM cycle. During this stage, you may see them running in their sleep or muffled barking, which indicates they are processing memories from their day. They have crepuscular tendencies, meaning they are often most active during dawn and dusk. This mirrors the behavior of the waterfowl they were originally bred to hunt. The breed is surprisingly good at agility trials. While they aren't as twitchy as a border collie, their athletic builds and desire to please make them top competitors in obstacle courses. Golden retrievers have a specialized stop in their forehead, the indentation between the eyes. This skull structure helps protect their eyes from frontal impacts while running through dense woods. They are known for leaning on people. This isn't just for balance. It's a physical way for them to claim affection and feel the heartbeat of their human companions, which lowers their stress. The first dog of the United States has often been a golden retriever. Most notably, President Gerald Ford's dog, Liberty, was a golden that famously gave birth to puppies in the White House. They have a unique way of cooling down through their paws. While dogs mostly pant to regulate temperature, they also have sweat glands in their paw pads that help dissipate heat. Golden retrievers are often the gold standard for testing new dog food formulas. Their enthusiastic appetite makes it easy for researchers to study palatability and nutrient absorption. The breed's bone density is quite high, which supports their powerful musculature. However, this also makes them prone to hip and elbow dysplasia, a common genetic concern in the breed. They have a double-hinged jaw feel that allows them to open their mouths very wide. This was essential for retrieving larger game birds like geese without damaging the body. Golden retrievers have a high degree of object permanence. If you hide a ball, they can remember exactly where it is for hours, showing a sophisticated level of cognitive function. They are incredibly sensitive to human tone of voice. A harsh word can cause a golden retriever to shut down, while a high-pitched, happy tone can instantly double their energy levels. Their fur contains a natural UV protectant. The oils and the structure of the outer coat help prevent their skin from getting sunburned, even when they spend all day in the sun. Golden retrievers are known to be late bloomers mentally. Many don't reach full emotional maturity until they are 3 or 4 years old, maintaining a teenager phase longer than other breeds. They have a specialized nictitating membrane, or a third eyelid. This clear membrane slides across the eye to protect it from debris while they are swimming or running through tall grass. The breed is exceptionally good at reading human body language. They can often anticipate when their owner is about to go for a walk or leave the house just by observing subtle micro-movements. Golden retrievers have been trained to detect seizures before they happen. They can sense a change in a person's scent or behavior up to 45 minutes before a medical episode occurs. Their tails are composed of about 20 vertebrae. This complex structure allows for the expressive, fluid movement that makes their wag so recognizable. They are one of the few breeds that will consistently seek eye contact with humans. In the canine world, eye contact is often a threat, but Goldens use it to form a bond and look for direction. Golden retrievers have a soft bark when they are just alerting their owners. This is distinct from their guarding bark, which is much louder and more territorial, though rarely backed by aggression. They are highly prone to lipomas, which are benign fatty tumors. While usually harmless, these are a hallmark of the breed's aging process and are closely monitored by owners. The breed's feathered tail acts as a visual signal in high grass. When the dog is on a scent, the waving white-tipped or light-colored tail allows the hunter to keep track of their location. Golden retrievers have been known to save people from drowning instinctively. Their natural swimming ability, combined with their drive to retrieve objects from the water, often extends to humans in distress. They have a high concentration of fast-twitch muscle fibers in their hind legs. This gives them the explosive start they need to jump into water or chase after a thrown object. A golden retriever's appetite is so legendary that they are often used in studies about canine diabetes and metabolism. They serve as a model for how diet impacts health in high-energy mammals. They have a social hierarchy that is very fluid. Unlike some breeds that are very focused on a single alpha, Goldens tend to be friends with everyone, making them excellent for multi-pet households. Their skin is quite loose around the neck. This was an evolutionary advantage that allowed them to twist and turn if they were ever caught in a vine or grabbed by a predator during a hunt. Golden retrievers are known for carrying their own leashes. This behavior is a manifestation of their retrieving instinct and their desire to have a job to do while walking. They have a specialized glottis that helps prevent water from entering their lungs when they are swimming and carrying an object at the same time. The breed has a very low incidence of drooling compared to other large breeds like Mastiffs or St. Bernards. Their tight flews, lips, are designed to keep moisture in while they work. Golden retrievers have a scent memory that can last for years. They can recognize the smell of a person or another dog they haven't seen since they were a puppy. They are highly susceptible to ear hematomas because they shake their heads with so much force. If an ear is itchy, a golden can shake hard enough to burst a small blood vessel in the ear flap. The golden retriever name wasn't actually used until 1920. Before that, they were simply called golden retrievers as a description rather than a formal breed name. They have a unique trot that is very energy efficient. This gait allows them to cover miles of ground while hunting without burning through their energy reserves too quickly. Golden Retrievers are one of the most popular breeds for animal-assisted therapy. Their calm presence has been scientifically shown to lower blood pressure and release oxytocin in humans. They have a widow's peak of fur on their forehead that becomes more prominent as they age and their face begins to turn white. Their sense of hearing is 4 times more acute than a human's. They can hear high-frequency sounds, like the whistle of a bird's wings, from incredible distances. Golden Retrievers are prone to aortic stenosis, a heart condition. Responsible breeders now use echocardiograms to ensure their dogs have healthy hearts before breeding. They have a biological clock that is incredibly precise. Many owners report that their Golden knows exactly when it is 5 p.m., dinner time, without ever looking at a clock. The English Cream Golden Retriever is not a separate breed, but simply a British-type Golden with a very light-colored coat. They share the same DNA as their darker American cousins. If you enjoyed these 100 facts, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Ethan Facts for more deep dives into the mysteries of the animal kingdom. We upload amazing animal facts and wildlife mysteries every week, and you won't want to miss our next discovery. Which fact surprised you the most? Was it their incredible soft mouth or their secret Scottish history? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. Before you go, make sure to click on our video about the secret language of wolves. It's a perfect next watch for any animal lover. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.